Hi everyone and welcome back to Dev Portal. In our previous video we discussed classes and objects in Java. Today we are going to talk about constructors. Constructors play a crucial role in object-oriented programming as they initialize the new objects. So what is constructor? A constructor is a special type of method that is called when an object is initiated. It sets initial values for the object attribute and prepare the object for use. Constructor have same name as the class and do not have any return type, not even void. So there are basically three types of constructor. First will be the default constructor. Java provides a default constructor. If you want, we can define our own constructor as well. This default constructor is a no argument constructor that simply initializes the object without setting any specific value. Let's see an example of class with a default constructor. In our previous lecture we have already created a class of car type. Now for this car I will create a default constructor. So first let me add comment default constructor and I will type public and then car. Constructor name will be same as class name, and inside this I will just add sysout statement to see that this constructor has been called. Default constructor called. I will save this code and in my demo class I will create an object of this class using default constructor. So I will type car, my car, or rather than my car I will type obj1 and new car, and I will call obj1 dot display info. Let me save this code and run for you. So in the console you can see it is printing default constructor called, and as I told, default constructor will not initialize any values, so it is printing the default values of your data type. For string it will be null because it is of object type, and for int it will be 0 as it is a primitive data type. So after default constructor we will see parameterized constructor. A parameterized constructor allow you to pass argument to the constructor when creating an object. This let you set initial values for object attributes. Here is the small example of parameterized constructor. So again I will type first comment parameterized constructor and public same car, and inside this constructor I will pass three arguments. One will be the string color, next string model, and then int year. So now I will set this values, color equal to color, then this dot model will be model which I have passed, and then this dot year will be the year. So here I have used this keyword. This will store the current reference of this object. So now we have created parameterized constructor. Now we will call this constructor as well, car obj2 equal to new car. This time I will call parameterized constructor, and inside this I will provide parameters. First will be the color which is red, then model, and then year. And similarly I will call display method for this object as well. Again let me save and run the code for you, and you can see it is printing model Toyota, color red, and year 2021. This is for my parameterized constructor. Let me comment line number 5 and 6. Again let me save and run, and we can see here in the console. So next will be the constructor overloading. Constructor overloading allow a class to have more than one constructor but with different parameter list. This provides flexibility in object creation. Now let's see how we can do constructor overloading same public car, but this time I will only initialize two variables. One will be my string model, next will be the year, and I will set this dot color will be unknown. Then this dot model is equal to model, and this dot year equal to year. So again, let me create another object for this car, obj3 equal to new car. This time I will call two parameters constructor. First will be the model, and model name I will provide Honda this time, and year will be the 2022, and let me call obj3 dot display info. So let me comment 8 and 9 line first, save and run. In this example, the car class has three constructors: a default constructor, a parameterized constructor, and another parameterized constructor with two parameters. Depending on how we can create an object, the appropriate constructor is called in the demo class. You can see, let me comment 5 and 6 and 8 and 9, save and run. So all the constructors are working here. To sum up, constructors are the special methods used to initialize objects. We have seen how to define default and parameterized constructors, and how constructor overloading provides flexibility in object creation. Understanding constructor is essential for effective object-oriented programming. In the next video, we will explore the concept of encapsulation and how it will help us in protecting data within our class. Have you tried creating your own constructor in Java? Share your experience in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more programming tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.